Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Date in My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. Today we're going to do another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesday. On Wait a Minute Wednesday, we are rolling two dice. One is a 5-sided die and 6-sided die to tell us which challenge to stuff. I did leave them in numerical order. And so let's count our cash. And we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $28. And we will, let's dig in and see what we can do. You know, the potential is here to possibly complete this if it's lucky. So let's see who gonna get this love today. Challenge 6 for 3. Like that. Challenge 2 for 1. And I'm hoping this angle you guys can see the dice in the tray. Challenge 1 for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Challenge 1 again for 2. Okay. And actually, so that was 4. It should have 6. We'll put 3 back and give it this 5. All right, challenge 4 for 3. And this one, I write down whatever we roll. 1, 2, 3. Challenge 3 for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're down to 6. Or actually, no, that's 11. All right. Can we get a 5? Challenge 6 for 4. All right. So we'll put 1 back. Challenge 6 for 3. Okay. We can give it this 10 and put 2 back. All right. We got the change needed. So it's $4 left. So I think I'm just going to eliminate the 5-sided die. And we'll roll 4 more times and give, spread the love. Challenge 2. 1, 3, and 5. Woohoo! Everybody got that love. Okay, so challenge 5 got the least at $1, but that's okay because we can color in. And I think I'm going to do this like golden yellow-ish. And next, I think it's here. Yeah, it only has 2. And looky. We don't have it. The lowest number is a 4. So it's just gonna roll here. We got $3 in rollover. This one got 3. And we already accounted for it. And so we just add it up in here. Let's see what we got here. This was 5. Okay, so I think this is next. So we got 5 here. We had $1 left over. Every star is 2. So we have a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So we do 3 stars. And let's see, our winner, we got 10 here. and 7 here. So challenge 6 was the winner. This one, we got 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 11. The lowest feather is 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put 1 to roll. All right. And our winner, ooh, well, they all even, so that one is just going to roll. But we're that much close to getting this completed. And so I can do 5 of these. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do what's below the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that does it for Wait a Minute Wednesday. Thank you all so much for returning. Or if you're new, I appreciate you and I thank you too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys in the next one. I hope you're having a wonderful week this far. And if not, I hope it gets better. And it can. Bye, you guys.